When I got out of prison, after doing 13 years, when I was just 15 years old, I had zero experience, no resume, no references, nothing. I was putting in application back to back, and everyone kept looking at my record like it was a disease, even though it happened over 15 years ago. I remember feeling so depleted and just so hopeless because every job application was getting denied. I remember thinking that I really needed this to work out for me because the streets was no longer an option. The streets equal prison. In prison, I was never going back to that. And then one day, while I was searching on Indeed, which is a great way to find jobs, I'm gonna also place that link for the app in my description below. If you're looking for a job right now, you should check it out. But while I was searching on Indeed, I noticed that there was a UPS factory job hiring 8 minutes away from my house. And because I wasn't having any luck putting in job applications, I decided to take a different approach. So first thing the next morning, I had my girl take me to the UPS factory. And I noticed a group of people changing shifts. So I got out right there and I proceeded to go in as if I was going into work. And I noticed someone who may be able to help me. She looked very easy to talk to. And so I approached her and I was totally honest with her. I let her know my situation, how I had just came home from prison, and I was in urgent need of a job, that I was a hard worker, and that I would come there every day on time if I was able to get this job opportunity. To my surprise, she told me be there the next morning at 4 in the morning for orientation. She told me be there by 4. I was there at 3:30. I had to realize that when I walked out of prison after doing 13 years when I was just 15 years old, that I was not my past anymore. I had to work countless hours to be better and to create a better future for myself so I could be here today talking to y'all, sharing my story, no matter what anyone thinks. And you have to remember that your work and consistency speaks louder than anything. So as soon as you get your opportunity, no matter what it is or how small, take it to your advantage. Remember to always do your job to the best of your ability because a small opportunity could be preparing you for a bigger opportunity tomorrow. And I say all that to say, don't fear your past or your record. Instead, just be prepared to work a little harder because of it. So once you do get that opportunity to prove yourself, show up early and work overtime. Don't bring drama to your workplace and don't be confrontational with your boss and your employees. And I know a lot of you have dreams and aspirations to do bigger than work a 9 to 5. But you may have to work that warehouse job until your content creation career pops off. You might even have to work some temp agency jobs just to make ends meet. You may even have to work that warehouse job and a temp agency job. Because I know people who have never been in prison and they're working multiple jobs just to make ends meet. Because the economy that we in today is just that real. It's not just for convicts or ex-felons who have it hard right now. It's hard for a lot of people, trust me. And your first job, God willing, won't be your last job. So don't take it personal. Just use it as a stepping stone, as a transition until you get in a better position. Because once you have a 90-day work history, you can level up. If you're watching this from a halfway house, your apartment, or even your mom's couch, just know, bro, you're not stuck. You just need your first yes. So let's go get it. What are you waiting for? Until next time, the only thing stronger than me and you is us. 7 up till we have it up. Peace.